He just bit through him.
I can see the other part of it. Who is this team? Oh my gosh. If you imagine starting